In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this product for free, and you will be able to sell it on platforms like Etsy. So you're not going to be paying for anything to be able to create this product, and you're going to be making money selling these products on Etsy. So these are frame mockups. So you're going to be creating this using AI method. Now, after creating this kind of products, you will be selling it for somebody who has a wall art or a digital wall art, and now they want to show to their customers that after they buy this wall art, then it can turn into something like this. So this is what we're going to be offering. So only mockups from our side. Now these are some of the mockups that are available here on Etsy from other sellers. And here the first one, we've got 50 mug mockups, coffee mockups, and then here we have 25 frame mockups, and here we've got 500 frame mockups for 139 rands and 53 cents. Here is only 17 rands, which is only $1. So they're selling this for only $1, and it's 25 mockups. So we are going to be selling something similar to this. Now, as you can see over here, they do have different sizes and also different designs and also the colors. So you want to make sure that you are catering for all your customers, in case maybe they need a different color, or they need a square frame or rectangle frame or a landscape. Now, what we're going to do for us to be able to provide this to our customers or something similar to this, we're going to be using a free AI method called Bing. So this is a Microsoft image generator, so you must have a Microsoft account. So you can go to Google and search for Bing AI image generator, and then out of these options you can choose any. You can choose image creator from Microsoft Bing, and then you can choose create images with your words. So you can just click any of the two, and it's going to take you somewhere here. Every day it's going to give you 99 coins. So whenever you put a prompt over here, it's going to subtract 1 coin here. So you've got 99 chances to prompt anything you want. So you can create 99 designs multiplied by 4, because each prompt has 4 images. So these are the mockups that Bing came up with when I prompted this. So I said I want a 1 mockup rectangle frame, fit in the image with real flowers in a vase for decoration beside the frame, white bedroom. So when I said white bedroom, for me I wanted a white wall. So if you want a different wall, you can also describe it here. If you want something beside the frame, you can also describe it in your prompt. So you've got 99 chances. If you're still new at this, you've got 99 chances to learn how to come up with better prompts. I'm also not a pro when it comes to prompting. I'm also still learning, but you can learn as time goes on. So every day you've got 99 chances to improve. Now this is what I got, and I'm very happy with what I got. Now others, as you saw over here on Etsy, they are selling like 30, 70, some are selling 500, some are selling 25 pieces, but now we're going to choose to sell 50 pieces. So it means now I've got 4 here, so I have to do this maybe 12 times or 13 times for me to be able to get 50 images. So after getting this, I just click on it, and then I will be able to download. As you can see, it's very clean, it's very neat. I'm just gonna come over here and click download. It's gonna download to my computer, and now I have access to this image. After this, I'm just gonna click close and go back and download the other one that I want. I'm gonna do this until I have 50 images. After getting all my 50 images or my 50 mockups, I'm now gonna go to Canva so that I have the right size and just to make this much more presentable. So I'm gonna go back to Canva. As you can see, I uploaded all those 50 images that I got from Bing, and now I have them, and as you can see, they look like this. So I just have to come over here and upload, because they have saved and downloaded in my computer. Then I just come over here and upload them. So I'm gonna have something like this. So whenever somebody who is selling something like this, they're just gonna come over here and download this wall art, or that they have this digital wall art that they have, just to show their customers that it's gonna look like this. Now they're just gonna upload one image. Now let's see. So they are gonna take one of their wall art like this, and they're just gonna click on it and then frame it here, just to show their customers that when they buy this love wall art, it's gonna look something like this after they have framed it. So I'm just gonna try to adjust it so it's gonna look like this to customers. So now that we have this, let me just try to decrease so that we can see everything. So we're gonna have 50 of this. So if the customer want to only have maybe a small square frame, they're gonna maybe choose these. If they want a small, maybe silver frames or black. So I have all the colors: gold, black, brown, different size, different styles. So these are all my 50 frames that the customers will get. Now how will my customers get these 50 mockups? So I'm just gonna come over here and click download, and I will choose whether I want to download this as a PNG, JPEG or PDF. So I can choose all three methods. Maybe I have a PNG and also a PDF and also a JPEG. So when I click JPEG, this is the size of my file. If I have a big file on Etsy and inside there is 50 images, if it's too big, sometimes there is a limited size that you are allowed to upload. So just be careful. Like if I change this maybe to 10,000 or 11,000 by 9,000 pixels, it's gonna really have a nice or a good quality, but it's gonna be too big. So for me, I'm choosing the 3,750 by 3,000 pixels. So I'm going back to 3,750 by 3,000, and I'm gonna download this. So I'm just gonna click download, and it's gonna download to my computer. So after downloading, now it's when I have my products that I can upload on Etsy. So this is the file that people are gonna get, or my customers are gonna get, after they have made a payment on Etsy. This is what I want my customers to see before they buy. They have to see something like this, that they are gonna get something like this. So we don't have that yet. This means that we have to come back on Canva and create a new page again. So it's gonna be a page like this. So for this page to appear, I just typed in custom size and 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. What I mean is that I came over here to create a design on Canva, and then I chose a width of 2000 and a height of 2000 pixels, and then I clicked create new designs, and then it took me over here. Now what I want to do here, I want to have a primary image, which is the first image that my Etsy customers are gonna see. So for me to be able to upload all these images and also maybe different sizes just to showcase for my customers, the first thing that I want to do over here is just I want to show maybe the first 12 images. So what I'm gonna do here, I've already done this so that we can be quicker, but for you to do this, you just click Shift R to have the lines. So these are the lines that we want. So these are the lines that I want to put my frames so that everything is equal, or the sizes are exactly the same. But you will understand as I am about to finish, you will be able to see where I am going with this. These are equal squares. Now I have 12 products that, or 12 frames that I want to add here. So the first thing I need to do is to come over here and click elements on my left, and then choose one frame that I want to put. So I'm just going to choose this, and it's too big, but what I want is something like of this size. So I'm going to add this. So I'm just going to duplicate, and then after duplicating, add it here. It's not exactly equal, and then again duplicate, and after duplicating I still have to adjust this size. So it means now I didn't really make this exactly the same size, and again I duplicate, and it's gonna appear over here. I've already created these 12 designs over here. If I don't want these rulers, again I just remove them by Shift R, and now the rulers are gone. Now I can come over here and upload all these frames. So I'm gonna start with the first one, which is this one. I can choose to just put it anywhere. Let me delete because I clicked that too many times. So I'm just going to choose one image and then put it over here, second one over here, third one over here, likewise. So I'm going to do this until I have my 12 images. this is going to be my thumbnail or my primary image. So as you can see from other sellers, it's going to be something like this or something like this, but this one they wrote so that you know where you're going to put your design, but we didn't do that. Ours is plain like this one. So I can choose to create as many images as I want using this method, but I can just also maybe add another page, and from that other page I can just show maybe one that I want to put, but it's gonna be exactly the same that the ones that I have. So I can just choose to set this as a background and is there, choose this one again, and then click set image as a background. So I have all these images. I'm just gonna download these images. So I'm gonna click download, and then I choose which one I want to download. I will only download one for our example today. So I'm gonna choose only page 2, which is our primary image, and then now I have downloaded it. After downloading, now I can go to Etsy because I have my products ready. I have everything I need. I just come here on Etsy and I click here on add a listing, and then I'm gonna add that primary image that we just downloaded now. So I'm gonna click. While it's loading, you will be able to see whether this is the right picture you want as your primary image, and if it's good enough to be able to attract the customers that I want. So now you can see is the primary image. So there we have our primary image. I can also choose to add other images. So if you have no idea what kind of images you should add, you just come over here, you look at other sellers just to see what they've done with their second image, third, fourth. So you can see it's just plain images. Like I said, you can just put one of the images that we didn't download, which are these images. So we chose only to download page 2, but you can also upload page 3, you can upload page 4, so you can just do likewise. So after this stage, now you can just choose the file. So I'm just gonna skip other items, and if you want to understand how to list, maybe let me just show a little bit of it. Who made it is gonna be you. You're gonna click I did. What is it? It's a finished product. When did you make it? You're gonna choose the year that you made it, and then you can choose to renew your listing automatically, and then choose that it's a digital file that your buyers will download. And here is the description. The description, you're just describing your product, and from here you can also use ChatGPT to get a product description. After that, you're gonna price your product. If it's $1, you just put $1. If it's 2, you just put 2. After that, you're gonna be able to upload your files, and then the option for me to upload is gonna appear, which is this one. Let me show you what I'm gonna upload. Is this zip file. Now all those images, the 50 images that I had, are inside this file. So this is the zip file. After this, I can then come over here and I'm gonna choose here upload. So after this, my customers will be able to buy after I hit publish over here. So this is the publish option, and then my customers will be able to buy. And now I have my first product that I just created so easily using free methods, and I can start making money. And that's it. We've come to the end of our video.